Did you miss me?
Yes, I missed you a lot.
Did you live here?
No, I used to live there.
Did you invite him?
Yes, I invited him to the party.
Did you take a bath?
No, I didn't have time.
Did he speak at all?
Yes, he spoke briefly.
Did he go to see Mary?
No, he had other plans.
Did he propose to you?
Yes, he proposed last night.
Did you get your wish?
Yes, my wish came true.
Did you say something?
No, I didn't say anything.
Did you finish the job?
Yes, I completed it ahead of schedule.
Did she call you?
No, she didn't call me yet.
Did they arrive on time?
Yes, they arrived early.
Did it rain yesterday?
No, it was sunny all day.
Did you study for the exam?
Yes, I studied for hours.
Did you see the new movie?
No, I haven't had the chance yet.
Did he pass the test?
Yes, he passed with flying colors.
Did you eat lunch already?
Yes, I had lunch an hour ago.
Did they finish their homework?
No, they're still working on it.
Did you remember to lock the door?
Yes, I double-checked before leaving.
Did you go shopping today?
No, I stayed in.
Did she cook dinner?
Yes, she cooked a delicious meal.
Did he apologize for his mistake?
Yes, he apologized sincerely.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was an exciting match.
Did they win the competition?
No, they came in second place.
Did you go for a walk this morning?
Yes, I went for a jog.
Did you visit your parents over the weekend?
No, I had other plans.
Did she buy a new dress?
Yes, she bought it yesterday.
Did he lend you his car?
Yes, he was kind enough to lend it to me.
Did you read the book I recommended?
Yes, I loved it.
Did they arrive safely?
Yes, they got here without any problems.
Did you catch a cold?
No, I've been feeling fine.
Did she lose her keys again?
Yes, she's always misplacing them.
Did he forget your birthday?
No, he remembered and got me a gift.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, it was amazing.
Did they cancel the meeting?
Yes, it's been rescheduled for next week.
Did you try the new restaurant downtown?
No, not yet.
Did she find her lost phone?
Yes, it was in her bag the whole time.
Did he fix the leaky faucet?
Yes, it's working perfectly now.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I had trouble falling asleep.
Did they win the lottery?
No, but they're hopeful for next time.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, I learned a lot.
Did she apologize for being late?
Yes, she was very apologetic.
Did he graduate from college?
Yes, he graduated last year.
Did you finish reading the book?
No, I'm halfway through.
Did they go to the party together?
Yes, they went as a couple.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, it's spotless now.
Did she dye her hair?
Yes, she went blonde.
Did he fix the broken window?
Yes, he repaired it yesterday.
Did you buy groceries?
No, I'll do it tomorrow.
Did they adopt a pet?
Yes, they adopted a puppy from the shelter.
Did you walk the dog this morning?
Yes, I took him for a long walk.
Did she return your call?
No, she hasn't called back yet.
Did he eat all the cookies?
Yes, he finished the entire batch.
Did you finish your homework on time?
Yes, I completed it before the deadline.
Did they hire a new employee?
Yes, they brought someone on board last week.
Did you watch the sunrise today?
No, I slept through it.
Did she get a promotion at work?
Yes, she's now a manager.
Did he fix the flat tire?
Yes, he changed it himself.
Did you take a photo of the sunset?
Yes, it was breathtaking.
Did she bake a cake for the party?
Yes, it was delicious.
Did she forget your anniversary?
No, she surprised me with a romantic dinner.
Did they donate to charity?
Yes, they're very generous.
Did you attend the conference?
No, I had a scheduling conflict.
Did she pass the driving test?
Yes, she got her license.
Did you see the shooting star last night?
No, I missed it.
Did they clean up after the party?
Yes, the house was spotless in the morning.
Did you go for a swim in the lake?
No, it was too cold.
Did she write a thank you note?
Yes, she sent it yesterday.
Did he fix the broken door handle?
Yes, it's as good as new.
Did you take a road trip last summer?
Yes, it was an unforgettable adventure.
Did you forget your umbrella?
Yes, I left it at home.
Did she plant a garden in the backyard?
Yes, it's blooming beautifully.
Did he bring snacks for the movie night?
Yes, he brought popcorn and candy.
Did you meet any interesting people on your trip?
Yes, I made some new friends.
Did they buy tickets to the concert?
Yes, they're excited to go.
Did you finish writing the report?
No, I'm still working on it.
Did she lend you her favorite book?
Yes, she insisted I read it.
Did he win the award?
Yes, his hard work paid off.
Did she remember your birthday?
Yes, she sent me a lovely card.
Did they watch the sunrise together?
Yes, it was a romantic moment.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate toast.
Did you watch TV?
No, I read a book.
Did you sleep well?
No, I had bad dreams.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
Did you visit a friend?
Yes, I went to Mark's house.
Did you visit Grandma?
Yes, I visited her yesterday.
Did you go to bed early?
No, I stayed up late.
Did you talk to your teacher?
Yes, I asked her a question.
Did you help your mom?
Yes, I helped her cook dinner.
Did you eat pizza?
Yes, it was yummy.
Did you tell a joke?
Yes, I made my friend laugh.
Did you help your dad?
Yes, I helped him fix the car.
Did you plant flowers?
Yes, I planted tulips in the garden.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!